Hi guys! Welcome back to Box TV. For today's episode, we will review 4 products from IKEA that complements each other. First, we have Dofta Potpourri in red garden berries. Second, Viljestark Vase in clear glass. Third, Sinnlig Scented Tealight in red garden berries as well. And last, Rotera Lantern for tea light in white for in-outdoor. Let's check them out! I ordered this online and they pack it with a double layer paper protection so it won't break. However, if you buy this at their store, you need to wrap it by yourself. Packaging dimension is 8 cm length, 12 cm diameter, and a weight of 0.25 kg. This is made of glass. This is the red garden berries scent. It's also available in peach and orange and sweet natural. Packaging dimension is 10 cm width, 8 cm height, 11 cm length, and a weight of 0.07 kg, and a net weight of 60 grams. It's made of dried aromatic plant parts. Let's pour the half to the vase. Next is the tea light lantern in white. It's available in black color as well. Packaging dimension is 21 cm length, 12 cm diameter, and a weight of 0.41 kg. It's made of steel, glass, and polyester powder coating. It has laser cut star design on top of the lantern and embossed design on the glass. You can see the effect of these designs later. And finally, the scented tea light in red garden berries scent as well, to blend with our potpourri. It's also available in natural sweet, blackberry, apple and pear, and in nutmeg and vanilla. The burning time is 4 hours and it has 30 pieces on the packaging. Let's put it on our tea light lantern. And light it up. This is how they look at night, outside. It's perfect for your outdoor event at night, but don't leave it unattended and don't put it near any flammable materials. This is the effect of the star design. If you like this video, please do consider subscribing for more IKEA and other household product review, unboxing, and assembly. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!